Hey, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Shanae and today I'm going to cook super quick and so delicious sesame noodles. My kids love it. They go for thirds. Let's get started. We'll only need a few ingredients. Some linguine pasta. You can use any pasta you would like. Sesame oil, olive oil, soy sauce, brown sugar, and sesame seeds and garlic. And you can add vegetables and whatever protein you would like to add. I'm going to serve my noodles today with buttery shrimp. It's going to be delicious. Let's get cooking. So first thing, we're going to boil all the pasta and generously salt the water first. This is really important for delicious noodles. Once the water has come to boil, add the pasta. Don't forget to stir the noodles while it's cooking every once in a while. Now let's prepare the sauce. Heat the pan first and add a little bit of olive oil. And when the oil is heated up, we'll add the garlic. Now, sometimes I add white part of green onions. Today I don't have the green onions, so I'm going to use just garlic. But if you do have some green onion, go ahead and chop it up. We're going to use saute the white parts only at the beginning and then add the green part at the end as a garnish. I'm going to add the garlic and saute for half a minute or so. We don't want to burn the garlic, otherwise burnt garlic tastes really bitter and nobody wants that. And then we'll add soy sauce. Brown sugar and sesame seeds. And then we'll just heat up the sauce until the sugar is nicely melted. Okay, the sauce is ready and my noodles are cooked too. And I don't use colander, I just transfer the noodles straight from the pot into the sauce. Okay, and final touch, we're going to add a little bit sesame oil. It's an essential part of this recipe. Adds amazing flavors and you're totally gonna love this. Smells amazing, you guys. Took only 15 minutes to cook and I already had some shrimp, so I'm going to add the shrimp into my noodles, but you can use any kind of protein like leftover rotisserie chicken would be also great. You can find the shrimp recipe in my previous video. Let's go ahead and eat.